87 MR2. They need to bring these back, man. Like revamp them. That'd be such a sick car. Especially the motor's in the back. Rev it a little bit. So the muffler blew out on it, guys. We're gonna fix it for him. But I said I gotta get you guys a before video. It's a cool little car. It's like really futuristic for its age. Check it out, guys. 2-seater, just really nice. And it's clean too. He's working on it, getting it all fixed up. And it's got the pop-up headlights. It's really cool. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a little bit. We'll show you what's under there. Here's sound decibels before we fix it again. Right at 104. Stay tuned. So that's what it looks like under here, guys, on this MR2. So the muffler blew out, as you guys can see. So he got him a new muffler. We're gonna put it on, and we're gonna add him a flex pipe here. Because as you guys can see from right here, it's all cracked. But it's got a crack all the way there, because when I hit it, look, the whole exhaust is shaking. There should have been a flex pipe here. Originally, it comes with a flex pipe somewhere around here in this system. So it's an aftermarket system with a cat and all that. So we're just gonna add a flex pipe here, put a new muffler here, this one, chambered muffler, and reinstall his tailpipe, and call it a day. All right, guys, 87 MR2 with some cool wheels. I like it. It's tiny but cool.
That's what she said. Michael.
So there's nothing here but the radiator and all that good stuff. Then we keep going, and you can see the body's clean. So there's the motor, there's the manifold, high flow cat right there. Then the pipe goes. I showed you earlier, we added a flex pipe there, fixed the crack there, added the new muffler there, put back his tailpipe because he likes that tip. So there it is. So it should change the sound a lot. It's a cheap muffler, like a knockoff Flowmaster. They run about 40 bucks. So I don't know what the name of it is. There was no box, no name. We also added another hanger to it. So it's solid now. It ain't going nowhere. He's really happy with it. All right. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Much better. Yeah, now it all breathes through the tailpipe. And it is stick shift, guys, too, which makes it even more fun. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 93. I like it. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. It's a Toyota, man. What do you know? Good looking car. It'd be really cool if it was right-hand drive. That's a good looking car. Let you guys hear on the inside. MR2 for you. Man, that guy's flying. Okay, back to the MR2, and they managed. What do you call it? Sunroof on it too, which is cool. That's awesome. Sounds really good too. Crazy.